National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, southern Will County in northeast Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Morris to Gardner to Odell and moving east at 45 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Shanahan, Wilmington, Bourbonnais, Manteno, Bradley, Kankakee, Peatone, University Park, Momence, Stager, Braidwood, Lakewood Shores, Elwood, Herscher, Manhattan, Shabance, Moni, Aroma Park, Grant Park, and Beecher. Other locations affected: Shanahan State Park, Governors State University, Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds, Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, Olivet Nazarene University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.